Good morning. Welcome once again into another CCTV camera edition from UBM Security and Service Center. This morning we are going to teach you how to install your hard drive inside DVR. Well, we'll have 8-channel DVR here, as you can see. Then we have 3 terabyte hard drive here with me. And we also have screw here to screw the hard drive with me. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to loosen the DVR. You can see not here, you can see both here, you can see not here. Then what you're going to do is to lose the DVR. You lose it all around. You lose it all around. Then when you lose it, then you now open it. You can see very well. Look at it very well. This is the inside DVR, HDD DVR. Then inside the DVR, when you look at the DVR, you see 2 cables. You have it here that you're supposed to plug your hard drive on it. Then you have your hard drive here also. Then when you look at the hard drive, you see these 2 places is where you're supposed to plug the 2 wire. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to plug the wires to the hard drive. Now I take the big one first. Now look at it, and I plug it on it. Then the second one, look at it. I now plug it. But when you check some DVR, you find out that some of the DVR have this wire, 2 of it, which means you can install more than 1 hard drive inside of the DVR. Something like 16 channel, 24 channel, and 32 channel. But this one now is 8 channel. It has only 1 wire on it. Then when you look at this hard drive, you see there is a hole here. You can come close. The video can come close now, right? Okay. Then you can see that there is a hole here. This is a place you're supposed to screw the hard drive. Then when you look at the back of the DVR, you also see a hole at the back of the DVR. This is where you're supposed to screw the hard drive from. Now, right now, you're gonna put your hard drive inside. Put it gently, because you know hard drive, you're not supposed to hit on it, so that it will not spoil. Then when you turn back of the DVR, you can now screw from the back of the DVR. You can now screw the hard drive so that it will not fall off or maybe be shaken. Right now I have screwed it here. You see it has entered. Then all you have to do is to cover your DVR back exactly the way it was before now. Then you cover it and screw it back. Thank you for watching that video. You're welcome once again from UBM Security Service Center. But don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be able to get our new video. Thank you for watching that video.